Hello, you're watching Learning with Shaun. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the letter A.
Hello everybody. Thank you for joining us today at Learning with Shaun.
Hi everybody.
Say thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Okay, so what are we going to talk about today, Shaun?
A.
Right, the letter A. So A is a very, very special letter because it's the first letter of the alphabet. So here we have
A.
and
A.
right. How can they both be A? Well, what kind of A is that? It's a big A, right?
Big A.
Right. And what about that one?
Small.
Little A, right. And what is A for?
Apple.
Good. That's an apple? A is for apple. And what about this? What's that say?
Apple.
Right. So there's an apple, and this is the word that spells apple. A-P-P-L-E. Right? A is for apple. What else is A for?
Alligator.
Alligator. Alligator. Is he a scary alligator?
Yes.
He is. You want to play? Okay, you first. Oh. Oh no! So A is for alligator. We're gonna play one more time because that was fun. I don't know. Who's it gonna get? Who's it gonna get? Not again! At least I still have my finger. So A is for alligator too. A is also for ant, right? Stand up. A is also for ant, right? And astronaut, right? Cool. Okay, so we're gonna do some fun activities now with the letter A. Stay tuned. Okay, so in this activity, we have a worksheet here where we're going to color the tree. We've already colored the apples, and then we're going to place the apples on the tree with the glue stick. So it's gonna come closer here. Shaun, what's that?
Alligator.
And that?
X.
And what's that?
And.
And
Astronaut.
an astronaut. Good. So now go ahead and color the tree, and then we're going to glue the alligator, the axe, the ant, and the astronaut, which are all things that start with the letter A. Good. Onto the tree. Go ahead. Good job. Okay, that was an excellent job coloring in the tree. What color did you color the tree in?
Green.
What color are those apples?
Red.
Wow. All right. So now we're going to glue the
and
apples.
the stick is brown.
And the stick is brown. What stick?
The stick from the apple is brown.
Oh, well, we didn't get to color that one brown. But yeah, you're right. The stick is brown. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to glue the apples onto the tree. So go ahead and get your glue stick. It's right here. Open them up. And then go ahead and glue those apples onto the tree. Which one are you starting with?
X.
The axe? Okay. Good job. The axe is on the tree. Okay, which one are you going to pick next? What's that?
Alligator.
Alligator. Okay. The alligator apple's on the tree. What's the next one? Who's that?
Ant.
The ant.
The ant does pick up food.
Okay. Yeah, he does. He picks up food, right?
Yeah.
That's what they do. They gather food.
And they grab the mice food.
Yeah. If you leave it out there, they'll probably go eat it.
Tomorrow I'm going to put one piece of chip out there so the ants can get it.
You're going to put a chip outside for the ants?
Yeah.
That's mighty nice of you because it's super cold outside. That's for sure. All right, the ant apple's on the tree. What's next?
Astronaut.
The astronaut. Do you know where astronauts go?
In the planet.
In the planets in space. Good job. Okay. Get stuck there. Okay, all right. So the astronaut apple's on the tree. So we have the ant, the axe, the astronaut, and the alligator. All things that start with the letter
A.
Good job.
Can I draw it now?
Yep. Okay, so the next activity here is going to be tracing the letter A. So first we have the big A that we're going to trace. Go ahead and do that. Good. Great job. And the last one. Awesome. That's a great job, Shaun. Okay, now the next one we're going to do is we're going to trace the little a. Great. Terrific. And last but not least, awesome job. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to trace the word apple. We're going to start off at the beginning though. We're going to start off with the A and then work our way down. Good job. Great. You're doing good. P. P. Great job.
How do you spell alligator?
L. Great. And lastly, the E. And that spells apple. A-P-P-L-E. Good job, Shaun. Okay, Shaun. You did a great job today with the letter A. So we know A is for apple, A is for ant, A is for alligator, A is for astronaut, and A is for axe. You did a fantastic job. Thank you so much. So your reward is a sticker. You go ahead and pick whichever one you want. And everyone else, we want to thank you all for joining us today at Learning with Shaun. Join us again for another fun learning activity. Say bye-bye, Shaun.
Bye-bye, Shaun.
Look up. Say bye-bye. Say thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Which one did you pick?
Blue sun.
A blue smile. Say bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.